Alrighty guys, I've got a 2017 Honda CRV EX. We've got the service A1 due, which is oil change and tire rotation. We've performed that service. We're going to go ahead and reset the maintenance minder wrench there that comes on when you're due for servicing. First things first, on the LX models you use the button over here to reset it. On this model, EX and above, so EX, EXL, Touring, all those other models, you're actually going to use the main informational display here on the instrument cluster at dash there, the audio unit. What we're going to do is we're going to hit the home button. So we hit the home button. You're going to get a couple of different settings here. The first is audio, phone, info, settings is where we're going to go. Once this comes up, it's going to give you a bunch of different options. You're going to go to vehicle, and you won't see it here. They're kind of tricky. It's one click down goes to maintenance information. Click the maintenance information, gives you the A1 and what it is. We're going to reset those items as we've performed those services. So we're resetting that one. And back to 100%. So now when you go to maintenance information, it's going to say B1 100% oil life. And as you cycle it through the dash here, bear with me here. So you use the buttons on the steering wheel to get to the wrench, and you enter that. Boy, the glare is bad today. There we go. And oil life 100%, all fixed up and ready to go. Hopefully this helps you guys. Again, 2017 Honda CRV EX and above. If you like this video and want other videos of other cars like this, give me a comment below and we'll go from there. Take care.